Hi, I'm Moshik,
And I'm Fateh.
and this is my school. It's a great place to learn, to grow, and to imagine the future. Every day, we discover new things, not just from books, but also technology that helps us learn in exciting ways.
You know, learning here isn't just about books anymore. We're using technology and even artificial intelligence or AI to help us learn in smarter ways.
AI is not something far away. It's already in our hands. We use it to speak better English, learn new words, and get help when we're stuck with math.
And across Malaysia, AI is growing fast. In fact, a national AI office was launched in 2024 to guide safe and ethical use of AI. That same year, the country attracted more than 71 billion ringgit in digital and AI investments, proving how important this technology has become for our future.
This app here listens to me read. It tells me if I say the words correctly. It's like having a teacher in my pocket. For example, book.
Hello, I like using AI because it helps me practice English and become more confident.
For me, AI makes math easier. It shows me step by step, so I can understand better.
AI also helps our teachers understand how we learn best. Some of us need more practice in reading, others in counting. The apps adjust to our level. Cool, right?
Sometimes AI is like a friend that reminds us to stay focused and try harder.
Sometimes it feels like magic, showing us answers in ways we never thought of before.
AI is not just about gadgets. It helps us understand important things like saving the earth.
We use Power AI videos to help us learn more about recycling, pollution, and how to care for our environment. Through AI, we see real-time animations showing how trees clean the air or how plastics harm sea life. It makes learning more exciting and more real.
And even at the national level, AI is used in schools. The Education Ministry now uses AI to track students at risk of dropping out, so help can come earlier. It means more children can stay in school and continue learning.
Sometimes AI feels like magic. One day, I hope it can create robots that plant trees.
I wish AI can design cars that don't pollute the air.
I dream that AI can help doctors find cures for sickness faster.
And maybe AI will help teachers with learning so it becomes more exciting.
We must use AI to learn, to grow, and to help others, not to cheat, copy, or be lazy.
That's why our teachers guide us to use technology wisely, with honesty, respect, and care.
AI also helps us understand each other better. There are translation apps that let us talk to friends who speak different languages.
Last month, I used one to speak with a visitor from Japan. I asked about their culture and it translated our words instantly.
We are year 6 now, but one day we might be scientists, teachers, or even inventors.
And the AI we use today is the foundation for the future we will create. The future starts with us.
And AI is part of the journey.
In the future, we hope to use AI to make our school greener.
Maybe one day, we'll use AI to monitor our plants or to remind us when to save water and electricity.
We may be young, but we are ready to shape the future.
And with AI, we're not just learning about tomorrow, we're building it today.
I am Ain. And I am Nada. And this is just beginning.